has just been uploaded.
Hi guys, this is Dave from Dave's Vintage Apple Tech, and I just want to thank a lot of followers on my channel. I especially want to give a good shout out to a couple great subscribers. I watch their channels all the time, and that's Steve from Mac84. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. And then number 2, Greg Rudk from Rudk Mods. You have awesome videos. Can't wait to see other ones. Same with you, Steve. I like your repair videos. You guys do fantastic work. I'm always evolving my channel, but just like everything else, it takes time. So anyway, I do really appreciate, and I also want to remind everybody that the USB microphone giveaway is still on. So anybody can win this, as long as you subscribe to my channel, and we'll go over more details. But as soon as we hit 50 subscribers, I'll put out a video on how exactly I'm going to do the drawing. Okay, this is a quick video, and but I just want to let you know that this is still going on. This is the USB Yeti mic. I believe Mac84 has one of these too. But anyway, like I said, it's slightly used, but it works fantastic. I just don't have any need for it anymore. And so anyway, the other thing I want to tell you too is that DOS Dude has my the long saga of the G3 G4 upgrade board on my slot loader right over there. And so I emailed him last week. He's been really busy with schoolwork. You know, DOS Dude, he's just a very interesting individual, and of course education comes very important. And but he said he will get to it eventually, and so I do bug him every now and then. So about every month I just kind of shoot him an email just to see how he's doing and progress. But I'm just really getting antsy. I want to get this guy upgraded to a G4. I know Greg, I know I kind of beat you to it, but you know, it's not working yet, so it's not official until it's working. So anyway, if you want to know more about the story, follow my videos from the day one on this, and I have updates on it, and you can know more about the procedure. So anyway, yeah, so what I've been doing is I'm looking for a G4 Cube. That's the next one that I want to kind of add to my family. You know, a long time ago I used to have lots of Macs. I mean, I had a bunch of them, but you know, we moved to different places. I sold a lot of them, gave some of them away, so I don't hardly really have that much. I have my latest one here, which is a 27-inch iMac. It's a late 2013. It's got the i5, but it's been upgraded. It's got the max RAM in it, 36 gig of RAM. It's got a 1 terabyte SSD, plus it's got a HAT MMD drive in it on the motherboard, and that's a 500 gigabyte drive. And so yeah, so that's what I use. That's my main machine. Then I have my, I don't know if you can see it, but I have my Mac Pro down here. It's a 5,1 2010. I've done some upgrades. Again, you can look on my channel at some of the upgrades that I've done on it. I use that occasionally. I do want to start using it more. And then off camera, I have the iMac G3 one that I modded. I basically gutted it and put modern parts in it, and that's on a video too, a couple of them. So yeah, and last but not least, I have my laptop MacBook up here. It's oh boy, I forget what it is. But anyway, I use that to just kind of, you know, I like the old installer on it, so I use that occasionally. And yeah, so and then one last thing to Steve is, you know, when you did your last video on when you were trying to recover the software on that, I believe it was the Android phone, and then you were showing a lot of your posters and stuff, and so you know, you showed me that Jaguar poster, and I had commented that that looked good on my channel. So what I did is I do have a box version of Jaguar, and it's basically, it's never really been used. It's got all the documentation in it. The box is in pretty good shape on it, because I needed this for a project that I was doing a long time ago. But anyway, so I basically just took the cover art off of this, modified it a little bit, and I use that on my channel now. So when you look About Me on my About Me page, or my little shadow on the YouTube videos, you'll see that's on there. And thanks for the inspiration, Steve. I appreciate that. So anyway, guys, this has been a quick video, and plan on coming out with another video here in a week or two. And you guys have a great afternoon, great week, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.